In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with NorthOne in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur keen on managing finances seamlessly, NorthOne offers a streamlined process to get your checking account up and running efficiently. So let's dive right in and unravel the step-by-step approach to securing a new checking account with NorthOne. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the NorthOne website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their offerings. Hover over the Business Banking section located at the top of the web page. This will present you with a few options to consider, either a business checking account or a business interest checking, depending on what suits your needs best. After you've made your decision, go ahead and click on the Apply for an Account button. Be aware that you might need to sign up for a NorthOne account first if you haven't done so already, as this is a prerequisite before you proceed with the application process. Now that you've got the initial steps covered, it's time to fill out your application. This part requires some attention to detail as you'll need to provide comprehensive information. Be prepared to fill in details about your business and owner information, as well as your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN. NorthOne will also request identification documents and contact information, which are standard requirements for account verification. Once your application is submitted, it transitions into the review phase. NorthOne will review your details to ensure everything is in order. They might reach out to request additional documentation to help verify your identity or business, so keep an eye on your email for any updates. Generally, the approval process takes around 48 hours, which is quite efficient. During this period, make sure you have all documents readily available in case any additional clarification is needed. Finally, after receiving the go-ahead from NorthOne, you will gain immediate access to a range of virtual business tools that NorthOne offers. This access includes features like a virtual card and various app functionalities designed to help you efficiently manage your finances. Meanwhile, while you're exploring these tools, your physical debit card will be on its way, mailed directly to your address. Once it arrives, you'll be fully equipped to handle your banking needs effortlessly. Opening a checking account with NorthOne in 2025 is a simple, user-friendly process designed to get your business banking in order with minimal hassle. By following these steps, you'll be set up in no time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.